guys! Halloween is just around the corner, so I'm gonna show you how to make these spooky nails which are perfect for the occasion. Ready? Let's go! We're gonna begin with cute Halloween nail designs and finish up with more crazy and spooky ideas. First up is this gorgeous mix and match nail art which consists of 4 different designs. We'll be playing with traditional Halloweeny colors such as orangey red, black and white to create this adorable manicure. Begin by applying a layer of base coat to all the nails. Especially harsh colors like black and red can stain your natural nails, so be sure to protect them. On the ring finger we're making a spooky ghost design. Since ghosts like to dance around in the dark, we need to color the nail in black for the background. Dip a dotting tool or a toothpick in some white polish and make 2 larger dots fairly apart on the nail. With a smaller dotting tool or a brush, draw the rest of the body to the ghost. Add a pair of dots for the arms as well. Load a toothpick or dotting tool with some black nail polish and draw a pair of eyes plus mouth to each of them. For the mouth, I like to just make a dot and slightly drag it down. This will give you that perfect creepy face expression that you want. Are you afraid of spiders? Well, I must say they're not my favorite, but since it's Halloween, we need to make some spider nail designs, right? Paint your nails with orange or red nail polish. Dip a tiny paintbrush in black nail polish and draw a line along the nail, stopping about halfway up. Next, create a large black circle in the center of the nail using a Q-tip. Our spider also needs 6 legs, so let's draw them on with a toothpick, paintbrush or nail art striper. Every character looks better with a pair of eyes, so let's give the eyes to our itsy bitsy spider by making 2 large white dots and 2 smaller black dots on top. Time for the always adorable googly eyes design. This one is so easy and cute, so I had to include it in this mix and match creation. Color your nail in black. Apply 1 or 2 coats depending on how opaque your polish is. We want the nail to be pitch black. Dip a medium-sized dotting tool in white polish and make pairs of dots all over the nail. I have space for 4 pairs of eyes on mine. All that's left to do is adding tiny black dots on top of larger white ones. What a quick and easy yet gorgeous design for Halloween! On the pointer and pinky finger, I decided to go for a simple white base with black and red dots lined up along the middle of the nail. These 2 nails will sort of tie the whole manicure together by incorporating all the colors that we use. We could make crazy designs on these 2 fingers as well, but I just feel like it would be too much. I always like to find balance with more elaborated and simple designs when creating mix and match nails. Anyways, here are our finished Halloween nails and they look absolutely stunning in my opinion. You can obviously take the ideas from this video and mix and match them however you desire. Go all in with a bunch of designs or just make a little accent on the ring finger. Even a small detail like that is enough to get you in the Halloween spirit. Let's create another Halloween mix and match manicure, this time with a bit more funky color scheme. I went for orange, green, purple and black. This masterpiece includes 4 different designs. Everything from spooky eyes, spider nests, bats and gooey paint strips. As always, we need to protect our nails with a layer of base coat. That way our nails will stay healthy and the manicure will last longer. On the thumb we're making eyeballs again, but these ones will be large, green and full of bloody veins. Color the nail in black. Now make 2 pairs of large white dots with the help of a large dotting tool or a simple Q-tip. Load the medium-sized dotting tool with green polish and make a dot on top of each white circle. Every eye also needs a pupil, so draw them by making tiny black dots in the center of each of the 4 eyes. To make the design more Halloween appropriate, we're going to add a ton of bloody red veins to the eyeballs. Draw them with a small paintbrush dipped in red polish. You don't have to be precise or neat here, as veins are always a bit wonky and randomly placed, which is perfect for us. We want the lines thin and dainty. The best way to achieve this is using a dry brush technique. This means that you want to have just a small amount of polish on the brush when drawing. Let's move on to the spooky spider nest design. Begin with painting the nail in orange. I have to apply 2 coats to get a nice opaque finish. Dip a dotting tool in black polish and make medium-sized dots all over the nail. My nail fits the total of 8 baby spiders. Grab a toothpick and draw 6 legs to each of these tiny creepy crawlers. I like to point the legs in different directions so that the design appears less structured and the spiders look like they are manically running around their nest. The eyes make all the difference, you know that already. Give a pair of eyes to each baby spider using a white and black nail polish. My mom is super scared of bats, and while they're not my favorite animals either, I must admit they're quite cute. Let's make a fun and easy bat design. Go for any background color of choice. I went for purple to represent the evening sky. This polish is quite sheer, so I have to build up the opacity with a couple of layers. Here's an easy step-by-step guide on how to draw a bat. Start by drawing a middle-sized dot for the body. Grab a smaller dotting tool or a toothpick and make 2 little dots for the ears, followed by another pair of dots for the legs. Time to work on those huge bat wings. Draw 2 dots on each side like this. Now we just need to connect all the dots, fill everything in with black color, and ta-da! We have a perfectly looking bat on our nail. We don't want this cutie to get lonely though, so let's quickly give him 2 bat friends. This will be an epic squat, I tell you that. Freehand drawing a bat using a paintbrush would be so hard. I could never do it. However, this step-by-step technique with dots makes it a piece of cake. Alright, our cool bat trio is almost ready for their Halloween adventures, but before they fly away, I wanna give some final touches to this design. Let's give it more light and dimension by making a few random white dots on empty spaces. These represent the stars in the night sky. And why not coloring some dots in orange? These awesome bats deserve some color in their lives too. On the pointer and pinky, we're making a cool dripping design. Apply a couple of layers of green polish for the base. Next, dip a larger dotting tool in black polish and make 3 dots close to the tip of the nail. The dots should not be perfectly aligned. Rather, make some a bit higher and some lower. Load a smaller dotting tool, toothpick, or a brush with black polish and connect the dots, making a curved shape like this. Paint drip nails are so easy and quick to create, but they make such a beautiful statement. They're also pretty simple looking, which works perfect for our fun mix and match creation. I'm totally obsessed with this manicure. It's a bit more funky due to the green, purple and orange color combination, but still looks totally Halloween-y. If you don't have the tools that I'm using here but still want to make the designs, make sure to watch my DIY dotting tool videos that I made a few years ago. There's so many things in your house that you can use to make epic nail art, so you really don't need any of the fancy tools at all. Next up, we have awesome blood splatter nails. I love how abstract and fun the look is, and the technique we're gonna use is pretty much the coolest thing ever. Come on, I'll show you. Begin by painting all your nails white. You may need a couple of coats to achieve the perfect opacity. Apply a layer of matte top coat over the white. You can totally skip this step if you don't have a matte top coat. There we go, our blank canvas is ready, so it's time to put our abstract painter hat on and start creating. But instead of a paintbrush, we're gonna use a straw. Yep, you heard me right. Dip the straw in some rich red nail polish. Place it right above the nail and strongly blow through the straw. Hello gorgeous red splatter. Keep repeating this step and you'll end up with lots and lots of bloody splatters all over your nails. The key to making this design neat and gorgeous is to clean up the skin around the nails thoroughly. So dip a Q-tip in some acetone and let's clean up the mess. How flipping gorgeous, right? I am so in love with this nail. The white and red combo is perfect for Halloween, but I can't wait to try other colors like blue or pink splatters, or even making different color splatters for each nail. I need to do this ASAP because this straw technique is just too much fun. Okay, that's enough with the cute and pretty Halloween nail design. If you want to embrace the scary and spooky vibe this Halloween, look no further. These 2 crazy manicures that we're about to create are so, how to say, out there. I've never created nail art like this before, and all I can say is they were so much fun to try out. Come along and you can learn how to create them too. For the frozen fingers, we're gonna start, surprise surprise, with a base coat. Yup, even when making insane manicure like this, we gotta protect our nails. Because when Halloween's over, you wanna have your pretty and healthy looking nails back, right? Dip a small piece of cosmetic sponge in purple nail polish and make a few random prints on your nails. This is what I love about this nail art. There's no right or wrong. Just go ahead and have fun with it. Repeat the step using a dark blue color. Dip the sponge in polish and tap 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 on the nail. To make the look a bit darker, I decided to go in with some black too. Apply the color on the skin around the nails as well. We want our entire fingertips to look frozen and painful. Lastly, I also decided to add a hint of green. It will give a slightly more rotten appearance. Just play around with colors until you're happy with the result. You can add more color to the fingers to make the frozen effect even more apparent. Grab a transparent neutral color like this and apply it all over the nails. It will give the illusion that all the painful freezing is actually going on under the nail, which makes it look so much more realistic. The finishing touch that also adds a lot in making our creation super believable is a matte top coat. Our nails are not naturally shiny, so we have to take away the shine from the nail polish. Now the nails look even more lifeless and frozen. I had so much fun creating this different and totally crazy manicure. If you're going on a Halloween party but don't have a costume ready, you can simply make a slightly frozen makeup look and these frozen fingertips. Such an epic, quick and inexpensive costume idea. If you think these nails look scary, then wait until you see our next and final manicure. These nails look so painful, horrible and best of all, extremely realistic. Come on, I'll show you all the secrets behind these crazy nails. You guys know the drill by now, a base coat is an absolute must, so go ahead and apply it on all the nails. Next, you wanna grab some fake nails like this and make a few random cuts using scissors. You want to make your nails look all destroyed, broken and rough basically. Go ahead and glue the distressed fake nails on your actual nails using a nail glue. This is how my nails look so far and they're exactly what I wanted. I can already tell this manicure will be bomb. You can make the cuts and tears on all your nails or just a couple of them depending on how shocking you want your manicure to be. Dip the sponge in a dark red or burgundy nail polish and create random prints all over the nails. You can get some color on the skin, no worries, this is all part of the look. The second color that I'm gonna use is gray. Just as before, make random patches of color using a sponge, but don't apply too much color at this point. You want the chic French manicure to still be visible through all the layers. Time for a coat of sheer neutral polish. This way we create the illusion that bruises are actually happening under the nail. And no need to be precise here at all. You can apply the color in the cuts too. Grab your matte top coat and paint it on top. This will seal all the layers together and give you a super realistic feel. Next few steps are going to completely transform these nails into the spookiest manicure ever. Dip a small paintbrush in red polish and color the cuts like this. Don't be precise, the point is to make a smudgy, bloody look. The fact that the rest of the nail is matte while red polish, aka blood, is shiny makes the nails look even more real. In order to create more depth, go in with some black nail polish too. This will accentuate the wounds and give them more dimension. You can absolutely finish here. I mean, these nails are already so out of this world crazy. However, if you want one last freaky touch, here's a cool idea. Apply a drop of nail glue on one of the nail cuts. Here we have a normal DAC screw, but today we're just gonna need a hat piece. Stick it on the nail and voila! It looks like we have a screw stuck in our nail. Ouch! But what an absolute gem is this creation, right guys? I mean, I know it's not the prettiest, but we have all year to look cute and nice, so why not go the complete opposite on the day when we're actually allowed to. And don't get me wrong, you can totally wear these crazy nails all year around, but you'll probably get some weird and shocking looks from people around you. Whether you decide to make a pretty Halloween design or a crazy spooky creation, I hope these ideas brought some of the magical and mysterious Halloweeny spirit from my home to yours. Subscribe and ring the bell for more epic videos from me. Love you guys and happy Halloween! Mwah! Bye!